GSM. Today topic is parts of speech. There are 8 parts: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. First one is noun. Noun, it describes name, place, thing, etc. For example, can, ECT. Can is a noun. Pronoun. Instead of noun, we use pronoun. For example, he is good boy. Here, he is pronoun. Verb means it describes an action. Eating, sleeping, etc. Example, tell me. Adverb means it describes an verb. For example, Sita forgot. Sita speaks loudly. Here, verb is in speech. Verb is in speech. Noun is in adverb. Next one, adjective. Adjective means it describes, it indicates the quality of noun or pronoun. For example, Kiran is handsome. Here, handsome is adjective. Preposition. It describes the position. Describe the position. For example, in, yet, the. Next one, conjunction. Conjunction is it combines two sentences. For example, Kiran and Raju is eating. It combines two sentences. Introduction. Introduction means it expresses emotions. For example, happiness, or tension.